everyone, and welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Casey, and today I want to talk to you about an awesome promotion from Creative Fabrica. So are you ready to take your Easter crafting to the next level? I'm not so crafty though, but I've been using their amazing things for digital products. Some people can use it for t-shirts and crafts and all kinds of things. So I will show you the website and take you in there to show you a little bit about what's there and what you can do with it. So if you're not that crafty, that's okay. You can also make digital products like me, but they're having a huge promotion coming up. So I wanted to tell you all about it. All right, from March 11th to March 31st, Creative Fabrica is celebrating the spirit of Easter with amazing deals and daily free gifts that will spark your creativity. So after this video posts, down below, I will put in the description box a daily calendar of links. Okay, so you want to go in there every day, watch the video, and click on the link of the day to get your free items. You don't have to watch the video every day, but you know, you could. They are going to be affiliate links, but the items are free, so no worries there, right? But they do count towards how many people I send to their platform. So every day you can unwrap a new free bundle packed with premium fonts, designs, and they're absolutely free. That's 21 bundles in total, and it'll be perfect for Easter. They're gonna have some for St. Patrick's Day, so you wanna get on that quick as soon as it opens. Spring and other seasonal products. So let's take a look really quick. I should have it all lined up for you, ready to go, I hope. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the Creative Fabrica website just to see quickly some of the amazing things on here. I have been grabbing a ton of things to use for my digital products, and I just love it. Holding Hands SVG, so you can see tons and tons of things on here that you could get. These are for sale. Some of them are for free. They have daily freebies, but you'll want to come back to this video and take a look at the promotion they're having, okay? So every day, free bundles. Also, something else that's super duper exciting is the all access paths. So for those looking to elevate your crafting game, there's going to be a special Easter deal on all of the all access subscriptions. So for limited time only, you can get 1 year of the subscription for just $47. And normally it's like $350, I think. I'm going to add the link below. And I'm just super excited. It is an affiliate link, so I do make, I want to say it's a couple of dollars on there. But I'm not worried about that. The most important thing is that if you are crafting or making digital products, that you have these items, this all access subscription pass. So you'll have access to thousands of fonts and graphics and more. So the possibilities for your Easter creations are endless. And I mean, creations in general. I have found such amazing things on there. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to take a peek at what I have already purchased. I don't know if I want to show everybody. It's a little embarrassing, but it's also awesome. And I'm going to use it for digital products. So you don't want to miss out on this all access pass or the freebies every day. So, all right, let me stop sharing my screen. I'm just super excited about this. Can you tell? So don't miss out on this exciting opportunity to craft your Easter with Creative Fabrica. Head over to their website now. Please use the link to get there so they know that you got it from watching my video. And I'm super proud to be here and sharing this information with you. Let me know if you have questions, guys. Put them in the chat box below. Let me know if you are using Creative Fabrica, what you're using it for, and if you want to take a sneak peek into my purchased items. I'm a little embarrassed, but I love it. So, all right, everyone, that was just a super quick video to let you know what's going on for March, from March 11th through the 31st, and I'll see you in the comment section below. All right, everybody, have a great one. Bye.